What is a security posture? Answer. A security posture is an organization's overall cybersecurity strength. It represents how well a company protects its systems, data, users, and networks against cyber threats. A strong security posture combines technology, security policies, employee awareness, and continuous monitoring to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber attacks. Think of a security posture as the overall health of a company's cybersecurity. Just like a healthy person exercises, eats well, and gets regular checkups, a secure organization uses firewalls and endpoint protection, trains employees to recognize phishing attacks, enforces security policies, monitors networks for suspicious activity, responds quickly to incidents. The stronger the security posture, the harder it is for attackers to succeed. IT step by step, one step at a time, your space for more CCNA labs, networking, cybersecurity, help desk, and real IT skills.